The benefits of high-temperature super-durable material manufacturing technology include improved performance and durability, reduced weight and size, and increased energy efficiency and sustainability. These benefits can lead to improved safety, reliability, and cost-effectiveness in industrial applications, and can enable new and advanced applications that were not possible before. However, the use of high-temperature super-durable materials also raises concerns about their environmental and social impact, such as the use of rare and toxic elements, and the potential for waste and pollution. Therefore, there is a need to develop sustainable and responsible practices in the high-temperature super-durable material manufacturing industry that promote the ethical and safe use of these materials, and that foster innovation and collaboration across different sectors and stakeholders. One of these aspects is the role of collaboration and knowledge sharing in advancing this field. High-temperature super-durable material manufacturing technology involves interdisciplinary research and development across fields such as materials science, engineering, and chemistry. Therefore, collaborations between researchers and experts in these fields are essential to drive innovation and make progress in the development of new materials and processes. Moreover, collaborations between industry, academia, and government can help to bridge the gap between research and commercialization by facilitating the translation of scientific breakthroughs into practical applications and products. These collaborations can also help to address challenges such as funding, regulation, and scalability that can hinder the adoption and implementation of high-temperature super-durable materials in industry. Another aspect to consider is the potential for high-temperature super-durable materials to enable new and advanced applications beyond those currently known. For instance, the use of high-temperature super-durable materials in the development of hypersonic aircraft, which can travel at speeds of Mach 5 or higher, could revolutionize air travel and transportation. High-temperature super-durable materials could also be used to develop new energy storage and conversion devices, such as solid oxide fuel cells and thermoelectric generators, that could improve energy efficiency and sustainability. Finally, it is important to consider the ethical and societal implications of high-temperature super-durable material manufacturing technology. The use of high-temperature super-durable materials in military applications, for instance, raises concerns about the potential for misuse and harm. Therefore, it is crucial to promote responsible and ethical practices, and to engage stakeholders and the public in discussions about the benefits and risks of high-temperature super-durable material manufacturing technology. Government and policy play a critical role in promoting the development and adoption of high-temperature super-durable material manufacturing technology by providing funding and support for research and development, and by setting standards and regulations that encourage innovation and responsible practices. One area of government involvement is the provision of funding and support for research and development in high-temperature super-durable material manufacturing technology. This can involve the allocation of resources and funding for basic and applied research, as well as the support of public-private partnerships and collaborations that can drive innovation and accelerate the translation of research into practical applications. Another area of government involvement is the establishment of standards and regulations that promote the development and adoption of high-temperature super-durable materials. This can include measures such as the development of standards for the performance and durability of high-temperature super-durable materials in different industrial applications, and the